Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to view the end-to-end encryption code of Facebook Messenger device. So now without any further delay, let's begin with the process. So first of all, launch Messenger application on your mobile device. Now once you are here, make sure that you are logged on to your Messenger account. Now at the top left corner of your screen, you can see three lines icon. So simply tap on that option. Now, simply tap on the gear icon at the right-hand corner. Now, once you are here, simply scroll down below and tap on the option of Privacy and Safety. With that, you'll come to this Privacy and Safety page. Now, simply tap on the option of End-to-End Encrypted Chats. With that, you'll come to this page. Now, simply tap on the option of Logins. Now, once you are here, you can see various devices that you have currently been using or you had used previously. So now, simply tap on the current device that you have been using. Now, after you tap on your current device, you'll see the option of key, and under that option, you'll see your end-to-end encryption security code. So this code is used for the safety of your Messenger chats. So follow these simple steps and you'll be able to view the end-to-end encryption code of Facebook Messenger device. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.